Unfortunately, the easiest way to make a long, straight cut is to buy a track saw or a panel saw. Since both of these solutions are cost prohibitive, I chose to make a circular saw guide from an existing straight edge. For this, I purchased an 8-foot aluminum straight edge from Lowe's. While it was better than a factory edge on a plywood sheet, the aluminum straight edge had a joint that was less than ideal, so I used a 4-foot steel ruler to ensure the joint would remain true during the initial cut. After the initial cut, the aluminum straight edge was drilled and screwed down to form the circular saw guide. When oriented strand board is cut, internal stresses are released, the board changes shape, and an additional smaller cut must be made to ensure a straight and stable edge for the guide. To use the guide, first put down a sacrificial piece of wood or styrofoam. Then position the workpiece and mark both ends of the cut. Then place the edge of the guide on the marks and clamp the guide down to the workpiece. Finally, cut along the guide with the circular saw.